In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermarks to photos in GIMP, an ideal tutorial for beginners. Whether you want to protect your work or add a professional touch, adding a watermark is a simple yet effective method. Let's dive into the easy steps to achieve this in GIMP, a powerful and free photo editing tool. First, start by opening GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP is running, open the photo you wish to watermark by clicking on File in the top menu, then selecting Open. Navigate through your files and choose the image. Double-click or select Open to load the photo directly into GIMP's workspace. With your photo now open, it's time to add the watermark. This can be either a text signature or a logo. You will want to create a new layer for this watermark to keep things organized and editable. In the Layers panel, located on the right side of the screen, click on the New Layer button. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify the watermark independently from the original image. If you don't see the Layers panel, go to the Windows menu, hover over Dockable Dialogs, and select Layers to bring it up. Now that you've created a new layer, let's add your text or logo. For text, select the Text tool from the toolbox, which is the icon represented by an A, and click on the image where you want your text to appear. Type in your desired watermark text. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the options in the toolbar above. For adding a logo, use File, then Open as Layers to insert an image file. Select your logo file and open it as a new layer. You can reposition and resize the text or logo to fit your needs using the Move tool or Scale tool located in the toolbox. With the watermark in place, you will want to adjust its visibility. In the Layers panel, click on the newly created watermark layer. To make it subtle and professional, lower the opacity. There's a slider near the top of the Layers panel. Adjust it to your liking. Alternatively, set the mode to Overlay. This will generally blend the watermark more smoothly over the image. Once satisfied with how your watermark looks, it's time to export the image. Head to File in the menu and choose Export As. Select your desired file format like JPEG or PNG, name your file, and choose a save location. Hit Export, adjust the quality settings as needed, and confirm once more. And there you have it. Your image is now watermarked and ready to share or display proudly. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add a professional touch to any photo using GIMP. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.